is not good. Okay, first point we didn't film because everyone was on the field. But honestly, we did pretty well. It was kind of a long point. So even though we were 6v7, we played pretty well. Honestly, there was just a lot of drops.
Take care of the disc. Take care of the disc.
Good job, guys. Yeah, nice, Will. Nice. Huge. Oh, poor lighting. Oh, there we go.
Easy, easy ones.
Is the glamour annoying?
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Whoa! That hammer.
Hey, you're out.
James, look at it. James, look for it.
Ooh, nice. Keep swinging, keep swinging.
No.
It's all good.
Bail her out. Bail her out.
Nice. Yeah, Hebron. Oh, sheesh. Not bad. This glare is worse.
Oh my God.
Oh! That's alright. Good look, James. Good look. He like got 3, I think. And then James also got caught quite a few in the deep space. And Cam and I did a good go for like 3 throws. And then it wasn't on anymore. Oh.
James.
Ooh. What was the disc? Good job, James. Yeah, come in, Will. Come in. Oh. Sheesh. Let's go.
We'll go deep. We'll go deep. Oh, there we go.
Nice. Very good. Very good.
One back.
Nice.
Will.
Huge. Nice, there, you got time. Nice.
Hey, take care of the disc. Take care of the disc.
That's alright. Good try, Sarah. That's alright, let him go. Nice, Sarah. Good job. Whoa. Oh, good catch. Huge.
Oh, nice pull. Nice, let's do good throws. Nice cut, though. Oh, I like that.
Jump for it.
Nice try.
Oh, that's my bad.
Bad.
Yeah.
Our team is very anti-zone.
Really?
Everyone just likes play. Oi, come! Nice cut. Nice catch. Nice Will.
This game 1, 2,
Oi.
3, 4.
Ooh.
That was good. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, sheesh. That's pretty good. Holy moly. No.
Yeah. Up!
Yes, nice, beautiful.
Whee, nice pull, Cam.
Let's go, Cam.
It's alright. Playing down a lot of players today, but we're still doing alright, I think. Playing some pretty decent frisbee. The other team has a full team of subs, so we're trying our best.
Up!
Ooh, up!
Over him!
Nice. Okay, I'm going to give us more of the field because I like seeing more of it when I'm watching. I'm going to see what else is going on. Nice.
Oh my!
Ooh.
Nice halves!
We'll hunt that deep.
Yes, sir! Nice try!
More of the field in there.
Joe, your man's looking.
Go in, Pansy. Out, Pansy, out. Get pass.
Joe, that's a haka.
Yeah, I know. I see him. I see him.
Next time they're right end, they get the ball.
Come in, Paige. You have to come in. Come in. Yeah. Go up now. Yep.
Up. Nice car.
Hey, stack closer.
We need a timeout after this one.
Oh, yeah, let's do that. One more point, then time out. We'll time out now.
Oh.
Attack the disc.
Nice.
Drop down. Nice. Forehand, force.
It's going in, it's coming back.
Good guys. Stop the roll. That's right. Nice, Renee. Nice.
Up. Oh, no.
That's right. Up. Joe.
Oi.
Cuts now, that's it.
I think you really need to
Nice.
try and get that straight back.
Nice, Renee.
Nice.
Go. Nice. That's it, Joe.
Oh my.
Nice arms. Get off the sideline. Nice.
Chill.
Nice.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Yay!
Call it if you want, Harry. Call it. Unlucky. Turn over.
Oops, sorry, missed the ball again. Honestly, we're doing pretty well, but they just have a lot of legs, and we do not. But it's okay. Nice! Huge! That's okay. Nice, Sophie! Man, that guy makes everyone look like children. What the heck? He's actually so tall compared to Sarah.
I think he's like a forehead taller than me.
That's so funny.
Easy dog.
Oh.
You have a handle on, make space.
Good job, Cam.
Oh.
Nice! Good zone, guys. It's looking really good. That's alright. Cam, you got it. Oh no.
Went over his head.
That's alright. It's a height diff. Everyone hypes it up a
It's
lot.
better than yoga berry.
Oh, okay. Maybe I should try it. It's pretty.
Yeah,
it
it's
looks
worth it.
really hype.
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright. You got time. Oh, that's alright. Take a step back, Sophie. Take a step back. Nice. Yep, that's good. Oh. Woo! Go, Will! That's alright. Clear.
So Cam can't even see under his arm.
I know. But honestly, that's how I feel when like anyone taller than me marks me. Nice, Renee! Oh, that's alright, you got time, you got time! Oh. Dude, they have good hands. Oh. Oh, ouch. Renee, from the back! You're at the front! Good call, Sarah. Yeah, Sarah, come in, Sarah, come in. Oh, that's alright. Oh. Woo! What the bat? Come on, good throws, good throws.
Go deep, Will.
Not on, not on. Oh. Oh, damn, that Brendan guy. Wait, he's actually so speedy. Watch the girl! Oh, I saw her. I saw her. Oh my god. Wait, not. They were missing their really good players as well. Huge cartwheel! But that's okay. That was a good run. Stay on D! Come on, catch up, catch up! Oh man. Oh, it's the tall guys against James. Oh. Woo! Yeah, James! Good pressure! Let's go, Hebron! From the back! Renee, do not cut! From the back, Renee! It's on, it's on! It's floating. Oh! That was so close.
It just gets a bit slow and then everyone can go for it.
From the back, Renee.
Hey, Renee, watch it on the right. It's on 1, 2.
Good cup, guys, good cup. That's alright. Pull back. Yep, nice, Will. Yes, Sarah. Watch the deep. Watch deep. Renee, watch this girl, Renee. Renee, watch the girl, watch the girl. Man, I'm gonna hate hearing my voice. Oh man. Oh, sorry. Oh, damn.
Trying really hard, but doing all right. Playing okay.
Nice, good roll, good roll.
Stop the roll. Let's get more of the field in here. All right, let's see. One cut at a time. Commit, Renee. Ooh. Hey, relax, relax.
Slow down, slow down.
Oh.
Hey, keep this girl. Not coming, Soph, not coming.
Ooh.
Renee, you got this. Renee, you got this.
Renee, Renee. Nice, Renee.
Hey, Alex.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
At least we got some yards, I guess.
Yeah, Will. Yeah, Will.
5. Get away, get away.
Damn. That's unfortunate.
Hey, man, coming. Man, coming.
Mark, stay with it.
Nice, Leo.
No, what you do is you run up on the trampoline.
Nice.
Cut in.
That's alright.
John! Mark up! Clean up! Nice, that's up good. Stay up good.
Nice. Nice. Chill, chill.
Nice, Alex.
Nice. Chill. Chill. Dump. Oh, never mind. No count. Oh, yeah.
Go around. 2, 3, 4. Hey, push that right 5.
Joseph.
Alex, you're free. Switch. Up.
It's alright.
That's it, Jess, all day.
Wee. Nice, Joseph.
Up.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
come on.
Oh.
Ah, so close.
Up, Sarah!
Yes, Sarah!
Good, chilly guys.
But this team also is missing a lot of people for position, I
Slow.
think. So we just came
Make the save.
no, we were meant to first a power pump girl. No, it was
Nice, Harms.
I think it's because both teams are happy to like not play.
It's okay.
They're happy to
Take the brakes. Up!
yeah. So we're
Damn.
not playing.
Oh, huge.
Go Hawks. He's looking. Come on, it's alright, it's alright. That's right. Go Hawks, Aaron, go Hawks. That's it, that's it.
Alex, back here.
Up.
Just get ready to hunt for something.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Don't fight too much. Don't fight too much. God, he's yours.
No. No, 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 no.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Walk it.
James, cut.
Cover along. Back up, please.
James,
Guard the disc, guard the disc. James.
Likod!
Up.
Ka!
Come back. Back on me!
Up.
Right.
Who wants that? Who wants that?
Up.
James, coming.
Back on me.
Again.
Goes this deep. Middle. Yeah, right here.
Dennis!
Joseph?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Will.
Yeah, Will.
Good D, let's go.
Easy.
Arrowhead.
All good, Alex. Come on. Head up, Alex.
Going to the right.
I missed it.
Get out, Ray.
Nice. Oh, look. Nice.
Chill out. Chill out.
Watch James.
Chill out. Just look at James.
Oi.
Hey, he's going deep, James. He's going deep.
Well, that's four hands already, okay. Girls, one of you up to it.
First, good.
I believe I got to the ground.
Nice. No.
Will. Devastating.
Wow.
Chill out. Yeah, Alex.
Nice.
Easy. Oh, man.
That's alright.
Will.
Alex, guys, man!
Let's come back. Stand here, guys. Stand here.
Cuts now. Cut. Nice, Alex. Yeah. Alex.
Alex, go! Alex,
Oh, let's go! Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, where'd it? Oh, whoops.
Just out of class.
I knew that was Kiki. I didn't even need to see. I didn't even have to look at it.
Oh, wait. One camera here.
Oh, so this slander.
No slander.
They just scored it in one burst.
Oh, what the?
Apparently, I think they ran out.
Oh, sorry. I thought the point was over, but it was not over. Oh, that's all right, Will. Good try.
It's just rough. I think, I did some hard strokes.
Oh, that was really good. Oh. They've improved a lot. I mean, actually, they're just pretty good. Oh! Oh, damn! That was huge. Hey, chill cam. Nice, Alex. Dump it. Nice. Whoa. Sarah, you got it. Don't let him threaten you. Whoa. Wait, this guy's pretty tall as well. Oh wait, sorry. Yeah, Renee. Whoa. Go, Alex! Oh, nice pressure, Alex! Hey, Soph, drop back to the end zone a bit more. Yeah, nice. Oh. Oh, Brandon. Ooh.
Nice ball.
Brandon's pool. Brendan. That was huge. Come on, Hebron, let's get this last point. That's all right. Oh, he's actually massive. Come on, where are the cuts? Oh, nice, Sophie. Nice, Renee. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
And like, we get good flow, but then I think the team that's been people, we're feeling like we have to do that momentum, you know, to get the point. Like, we get like a full continuation.
Oh. Yes, Sarah.
I think it was meant for me.
Hey, corner. Oh, nice. Good put. Oh, sorry. Dude, the guy's huge. Oh. Wait, huge though, Cam. It's okay. Watch the deep. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Oh.
You go!
Oh!
You right?
Continuation of the last point. Alex got stepped on, but it's okay. It happens. Woo! Oh, that's okay. Wait, Joseph! Oh, nice. Oh, sheesh. Damn.